Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today we have another attar which I really enjoyed and loved in my early days when I was young. I didn't had so much money, or you can say I didn't had much money to buy expensive attars or oud oils, and at that time I purchased an attar from Rasasi, which I still have the bottle. It is a very old bottle, like I think from 10 years ago. So I'm going to show you. This is Attar Mubakhar from Rasasi. So I'm going to show you the bottle. It's a very old bottle. You can see Attar Mubakhar from Rasasi. So this is the bottom where it has written, I think they have written made in Dubai, UAE. So it was made in Dubai, Mubakhar. I think still there are few drops in it. So I'm going to describe the smell. Okay, so I think 10 years ago I bought this one, and why I am telling you about this right now, because it is one of the cheapest attar. I think it is mostly synthetic, but it has a very nice smell, which is very you can say which has a very good trail, and it has a very good power around it. So if you are going to put it on your clothes, I think the whole room is going to smell this. So now I'm going to tell you about the smell. So it is a little bit of powdery, very little, a bit dense, a bit woody, a bit floral. Musk, synthetic musk is there, because white musk. Okay, so it is very, very beautiful, and I think it is unisex. I mostly love it on my wife, but if you are wearing an abaya or any dress or scarf, I think it is good that you put just a little bit on your scarf, and it is going to have a very good trail and very good projection. So that is a word that was not coming to my mind. Projection is really, really good, and it is not polarizing. It is not going to give you a headache. It is very, very lovely smell from Rasasi. It is 20 ml Attar Mubakhar. This is the bottle. I'm going to show you the bottle now. I think it comes in a glass kind of plastic container. I think I don't have that container. I think I lost it, but I really think that it is one of the most affordable attars. If you are a beginner, you are a student, I think this is the best thing you can buy. So try to find it. I think it is around maybe $20 online, and if in Pakistan, I think it is around maybe 2000 rupees for this 20 ml. I'm not sure. I bought it, I think, years ago for 1400 rupees. So I personally think that it should be around $20. So this is a very nice scent for beginners. If you don't want to spend too much money on attars, this is the one you should go for. So this is my review about Attar Mubakhar from Rasasi. This one, I really love the green top over here. Attar Rasasi from Attar Mubakhar. It is not Oud al Mubakhar, that is a separate one. So this is Attar Mubakhar from Rasasi. So this is my review. I hope you have enjoyed this review. I will meet you in another video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Till then, we will meet with another scent. Take care and bye-bye.